Okay, thank you for watching the videos we have already made for you. Gracias por ver los videos que estamos haciendo para usted. In this time we are going to assemble again the machine to show you how to install the machine after finishing the working journey. Vamos a ensamblar el equipo para mostrar cómo se debe dejar la máquina después de la jornada de trabajo. Hoy vamos a hacer el procedimiento inverso del desensamblado para que vean cómo se instala. We are going to start assembling again the equipment, first of all with the white plastic part. We are going to screw it, and I'm going to explain something special here. We have the cylinder part here, and we have the plastic part here. This is made with a high precision versus the diameter of the cylinder part. If you try to install it directly, it will be impossible for you. You will waste 10 hours and you will not be able to install it. So what are we going to do? We are going to do this. We are going to take the cylinder and we are going to put some glycerin, industrial glycerin. This is a lubricant we are going to use to install this and this. Also, we are going to put some glycerin here. Así. No, así. Un poco más. It doesn't matter if glycerin going down. It doesn't matter. So we have to install it into this cylinder. One people is going to hold the machine, another people is going to install this piece, as we show you here. I want you to see the position of the hands. One hand is here, one hand is here, and only is going to make a pressure with the fingers, as you see here. It's okay. Sí, vete. This part finally is going to be installed, as you see here. So if you make this is the harder part of installing of equipment. If you can make this, you can make everything with your equipment. Si tú puedes hacer este procedimiento de lubricar, meter el émbolo y la parte cilíndrica, puedes hacer absolutamente todo lo que quieras. Entonces vamos a tomar las abrazaderas y las vamos a instalar. We're going to install these connectors, and we are going to screw a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Not totally screw this onto the bottom part, and then you start with the other side. No, you have to screw a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Un poco aquí, un poco acá, un poco aquí, un poco acá, para que esto baje nivelado. You have to screw this to get a right level in this part. So the next step, we are going to install this piece. Vamos a quitar el plástico. We are going to remove the PVC plastic. One people is going to install the O-ring, and the other people is going to install the rest of the part. We have to check up the O-ring doesn't have a bad position, and finally we install the clamp connector. We are almost finishing the installing process. The next step, we are going to install the outgoing bulb. And that's it. Now we are going to start installing this hose. We are going to start with the orange hose. in what movement. We are going to put it until the bottom part. The same with this. Orange and blue. Now we are not going to install the hopper. We are going to leave it in this way, and we are going to plug the air. Vamos a dejarlo así sin la tolva, nada más por una cuestión de demostración. Lo vamos a conectar al aire. Okay. If you install again the equipment, you press the pedal and the machine moves, it means the machine was perfectly installed. Otherwise, if something is failing, you can write to me an email. You can send to me a WhatsApp message, and I can offer you customized support. But there are not many pieces that can fail. For example, this piece cannot be installed in other side, in other way. All the pieces only have one way to be installed, and that's all. Todas las piezas que estamos instalando aquí no tienen dos formas de ser instaladas, solo tienen una y nada más que una. Y hasta aquí termina la explicación. Es fácil utilizar el equipo. Si tienes cualquier duda o algo, conectas tu máquina, se debe de mover una vez que esté lavada, lubricada y lista ya para irnos a descansar. Si algo falla, me puedes mandar un mensaje, me puedes escribir un correo, marcar aquí a la empresa y con gusto te asesoramos. Pero realmente no hay muchas piezas que puedan fallar. Solo el día de mañana, para el cliente que tenemos de Estados Unidos, vamos a hacer una explicación de cómo extender esto, de cómo hacer el arreglo. Para nuestro cliente de México, este video que le mando como referencia, no hay que hacer pues prácticamente nada. For my customer of the United States of America, tomorrow we are going to make a video about how to extend the distance between this and the dosifying point. We know you are going to use a conveyor band, and for example, the product is going to be here, and you have another point where the valve going to dosify. So this is all I can explain it to you. So finally, for maintenance, you have to make a lubrication process here. If you do it as we show you here, you will not have any problems. Also, you have this oil container. You have to fill it up. Pásame un aceite, ¿no? Este aceite 3 en 1, como el que se le utiliza para la lubricación de chapas y cerraduras. This oil is this like a oil 3-in-1 that is used to lubricate something like the entrance keys. For example, when you go to your house and you have problems, for example, to entrance, you have to lubricate something. I will show you something, a sample about how to use it. Préstame una llave, ¿no? For example, let's imagine you cannot open it this. Tráete una llave de lo que sea, de tu casa. Aquí traigo una. For example, if these keys were from this side, and let's imagine you have a problem to use it, you install some oil, and you put inside this. This kind of oil is used for this process. Is the oil you have to use for this. In Mexico, we have this brand of oil. This is Tropper. This Tropper is used to lubricate, for example, electrical devices like this, bicycles, and that's it. You have to fill this and replace it every month. It means it must to have a totally clean oil every month. If you use the machine in many times per month, you can fill it. It must to be at a 75% level, and that's all. You don't have to make anything else. The machine is small. It's industrial equipment. It doesn't have any pieces can fail. I know the machine is going to be used in an automatic way. So I finished showing this. This is the pedal. So ayúdame a agarrar el pedal. If you press this, you make a mechanic contact. and you give the instruction to the equipment to work. So you can unscrew this part and use it and install it in all the process you want. You don't need electricity, you don't need anything. And that's all. Thank you very much. Solo explicar finalmente que mi cliente de Estados Unidos tiene una parte mecánica aquí que activa el pedal. Si lo presionamos, se presiona eso, y que a su vez puede ser presionado por un operario, por medio de su pie o por su mano, o bien por algo más automatizado que tengan en su planta. Hasta aquí termina la explicación. Cualquier duda o comentario, sigo sus órdenes.